What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to draw a Halloween jack-o'-lantern. Now for this drawing we're going to be placing a witch's hat on top of our pumpkin. So let's start with the bottom edge of the hat, starting from the left side. Start by curving this down in the middle. Just pull that up just past the halfway point. Now I'm going to add a notch with a half circle. Let's continue that curve over towards the right, going out and then pulling that up towards the same height. Now I'm going to draw the top edge of the hat, starting back on the left, curve this down and then up, and then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from here we're going to flop the hat over towards the right, starting from the left side, curve this out and then up towards the top. Now I'm going to flop this over, going up and then bending that out. Let's bring this down towards the tip of the hat. You go out and then down towards the point. Now you go wider as you come back up towards the top. Going up and then bring that in. From this top point, we're going to step down, curve this in and then down, and then we'll add a little fold. Stepping up, and go down and out with a straight line, come down and in, and we'll connect this point to the bottom with a curve. Let's add a large buckle in the center of the hat. Starting from the top, draw a straight line going across, and then from the ends, come straight down towards the bottom of the buckle, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's trace that buckle along the inside, starting with the top. I'm going to come down along the sides, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add that strap going around the base of the hat in behind the buckle. So we're going to start from the bottom left corner, step up, curve this out, and then up. Now I'm going to go over towards the right side, curve out and up. Now I'm going to draw the top of the strap. From this top corner, we're going to step down. We're going to follow that same curve, going out and then up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a thick edge along the bottom of the hat. From the outside, draw a short line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. And then from this inside point, draw another line. And I'll connect these 2 points with the same curve. We're going to start from the outside, bring this down, across, and then in. Let's go to the top of this curve. I'm going to go out and then down towards the right, and we'll connect the outside to the bottom with that same curve. Now that we complete the hat, let's move down and place the pumpkin in underneath. We're going to start with the top edge of the eyes, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, curve the eye going out, and then up underneath the hat. Line this up on the right, going out and up. Let's go back to the inside and draw on the brow, curving in and up underneath the hat. And same thing on the right. Now I'm going to work our way down towards the bottom of the eye. From this point, curve this down and out. Let's add in the pupils. We'll start with a half circle, going up and then down. And then we'll bend the outside of the eye going out and then back up towards the top. Let's start with the left, going out and then bending that up. Let's add that thick edge around the eyes. From the top, step in, follow that curve, come in behind the pupil. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the inside, step out, curve down and out in behind the pupil. Now we're going to draw on the top row of teeth. Starting right in the center, start with a point, angle down and out toward the left and right, angle up and out, aiming towards the eye. Let's curve the outside teeth, curving out and then down, and then we'll taper that back up towards the top. Let's wrap the outside of the mouth around the eyes, starting back on the left, and go out, and then bend that up. And we'll work our way down along the bottom of the mouth. Starting from the end, come down, and bring that in. And then we'll add 3 small teeth along the middle. Start by going up along the side, come down and in, and we'll add 1 tooth in the center, going up and then down. Let's add a thick edge along the outside of the mouth. Stepping in on the left, follow the curve, coming down, and then in behind the teeth. Now that we completed the face, let's draw those ridges around the head. Starting on the left, step out. Just going to curve this out around the mouth and then down. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now from the bottom, we're going to step down, curve the bottom of the pumpkin, coming down the middle. I'm just going to pull that up in the center. Do the same thing on the right, coming down and bending that up on the right. Now I'm going to layer the outside of the pumpkin in behind. We're going to step out on the left, curve this out, come down, and then in along the side. Let's go over towards the right. We're doing the same thing, going out, down, and then back in. And there we have it. There's a drawing of a Halloween pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.